Welcome back to InvestoSphere, the place where we break down everything you need to grow your money, budget smarter, and live a financially free life. Today, we're diving deep into a game-changing topic, the best budgeting apps to track your expenses in 2025. Whether you're living paycheck to paycheck or already have a solid savings plan, one thing is certain. If you're not tracking your money, you're likely losing it. And with so many budgeting apps out there, it's hard to know which one actually works and which one is just hype. So in this video, we'll explore the top budgeting apps available in 2025, break down their features, pros and cons, costs, and even compare them to each other. This is a full, in-depth guide with real insights, use cases, and tips to make each app work for you. And be sure to stick around to the end, because we'll also answer some frequently asked questions and give you our top 3 picks, depending on your lifestyle and financial goals. Before we jump in, here's something to think about. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to budgeting, tracking expenses, sticking to your plan, or just getting started? Let me know in the comments. Let's get started. 1. Why budgeting apps matter. Before we explore the apps, let's talk about why budgeting apps actually matter. Manual budgeting versus automation. Behavioral psychology. Why seeing your spending reduces it. Real-time alerts help you make better decisions on the spot. Tracking trends gives you clarity to plan your future. A quick fact: Americans who budget are more than twice as likely to feel financially secure. Budgeting apps are not just tools. They're like a financial coach in your pocket. What do you think is more helpful? A budgeting app that automates everything, or one that forces you to input things manually for better awareness? 2. In app, you need a budget. Key features: zero-based budgeting, goal setting and tracking, real-time syncing across devices, includes educational resources. Pros: promotes proactive money management, offers custom budget categories, strong community and support. Cons: takes time to learn. Subscription cost: $14.99 per month or $99 per year. Best for users who want full control and are willing to commit time to learn. Real case study: a 28-year-old teacher used an app to pay off $20,000 in credit card debt over 18 months. Would you pay $99 a year for a budgeting app if it helped you save over $1,000 annually? 3. Mint, now Mint Intuit. Key features: automatically imports transactions, net worth and credit score tracking, alerts and reminders. Pros: completely free, user-friendly interface, easy to set goals. Cons: includes ads, limited customization. Merging with Credit Karma may lead to future changes. Best for beginners or casual users. Are you okay with ads in a free budgeting app? Or do you prefer to pay for a cleaner experience? 4. Every dollar. Key features: uses zero-based budgeting, monthly budget planning, drag and drop simplicity. Pros: simple and easy to use. Created by Ramsey Solutions. Good for first-time budgeters. Cons: free version lacks auto transaction import. Premium version is $12.99 per month. Best for people who follow Dave Ramsey's method or want a minimalist budgeting approach. Do you find value in budgeting apps with a specific philosophy or prefer a flexible, data-focused tool? 5. Pocket Guard. Features: tells you what you can safely spend. Bill detection and tracking. Categorizes spending automatically. Pros: helps control impulse spending. Easy setup. Prevents overdrafts. Cons: limited custom categories. Premium version unlocks more features at $7.99 per month. Best for people who struggle with overspending. Would seeing a safe to spend number every day change the way you spend money? 6. Good budget. Features: based on the envelope budgeting system. Manual entry of transactions. Syncs across devices. Pros: great for couples or families. Promotes budgeting discipline. Free version available. Cons: no automatic syncing with banks. Can be tedious for some users. Best for those who want a hands-on approach and like the envelope method. Do you believe that manually entering each expense helps build better money habits? 7. Monarch Money. Features: designed for collaborative budgeting, net worth and investment tracking, smart projections and planning tools. Pros: modern interface, excellent for long-term planning. Share with partners or advisors. Cons: subscription, $14.99 per month, newer to the market. Best for couples and planners who want a full financial picture. Do you prefer budgeting apps that include net worth and investment tracking? Or do you like keeping those separate? 8. Spendee. Features: offer shared wallets, beautiful visual layout, budgeting for travel and crypto support. Pros: great design, good for international users, flexible budgeting categories. Cons: premium required for full features, syncing issues with some banks. Best for visual learners, travelers, and tech-savvy users. Do you think a beautiful and visual interface helps you stay more engaged with your budget? 9. Honeydew. Features: budgeting designed for couples, bill reminders and alerts, allows shared notes on spending. Pros: great for financial transparency, completely free, in-app messaging. Cons: not ideal for solo budgeters, limited financial insights compared to others. Best for couples who want to track expenses together. Do you and your partner currently track expenses together? If not, what holds you back? 10. Final comparison and top picks. In this section, we'll break down everything we've covered so far and help you figure out the best budgeting app for your specific needs. Our top 3 picks. Best overall. YNAB, for those who want complete control and maximum savings. Best free app. Mint, it's free, easy to use, and works well for most people. Best for couples. Monarch Money, great for planning together and seeing the big picture. Which of these apps do you think fits your lifestyle best, and why? If you've made it this far, congratulations. You're serious about mastering your budget and taking control of your financial future. Remember, no budgeting app can do the work for you, but the right one can make the process easier, more efficient, and even fun. Take a few minutes today and pick just one app. Try for a week. Observe how your money moves. You might be surprised at how much clarity and peace of mind budgeting can bring. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button to join our growing InvestoSphere community. Like the video to show your support. Leave a comment below. We want to know which app you're choosing and what you're hoping to achieve. Share this with someone who's been struggling to manage their money. We've got more financial guides, money-saving tips, and smart strategies coming your way. This is InvestoSphere, where smart money decisions are made simple. Until next time, track your money, build your wealth, and live the life you deserve.